Welcome back, everyone. Today we are looking at zucchini. Summer is upon us and this is a prolific plant, so if you're looking for something that will produce a lot, zucchini is a good choice. The reason you want to harvest regularly is once you can enjoy it, but also it will increase the production of the plant. So a few things to note here is you can see there's different types of flowers. We'll see if I can find a female one. So you can see this one down here will turn into a female one because it's got this stem on it, whereas these other ones are male flowers, so they will pollinate, which is another nice thing because you don't need more than one plant to grow zucchini. It will self-pollinate, or you can help it along by taking the pollen out of one of these male flowers and putting it into the female when that opens up. They do, like I said, produce quite a bit. So we'll go into how to harvest here. Ideally, you'll harvest when the fruit is between 6 to 8 inches. So this one is roughly 8 inches right now. You can eat them up to a foot. After that, they tend to get a bit tougher, and maybe you could use them in bread or something, but they'll get stringy and tough. So this is really our ideal size here. And you can just pull it off, but that might damage the plant. So I have a shears here that I'm just going to come in and cut at the base of this. Now obviously I would normally use 2 hands, but here you can see I just cut it out, and it's fairly heavy, but it's a nice even color. If you're growing yellow or white varieties, they will deepen in color, so it'll become more yellow. I guess I don't know about the white, but it'll just be a more clear color as opposed to if it starts out kind of green when it grows. But yeah, these are great. You can make them in bread, soups, you can cut them and freeze them. Be sure to check back for more recipes. Other things to note about this, like I said, it will speed up production if you harvest regularly, which is good or bad depending on how many you want. But you can see kind of there's a baby one in there, and these ones tend to hide, so you will want to look through there regularly. They can also grow very quickly overnight from, you know, something like that into a 5-inch zucchini. Can take you around to show you a couple more here. Just more of the different kinds of flowers. Here you can see a female flower that's developed, so you can see it almost looks like a fruit on there, but this hasn't started growing yet because the flower just closed. The same is going on over here. You can see the female flower that's just closed, and then the male flower, so that kind of tells you the difference. Here you can kind of see one that's just about it's like 6 inches long, but it's not as thick yet, so we'll wait, probably give that one more day. Like I said, these are bushy plants, so they take up less space than something like cucumbers, but they are in the same family. Here's another one we'll probably harvest today, this one, whereas this one we might give it one more day. But hopefully that helps you get started on your garden. These are great if you only have a small plot. Like I said, they don't take up much space. They're bushy, not vining. So just make sure you space them. Ours are pretty close here. Usually you'd want like at least 4 feet in between your plants, maybe even 6, just so they get plenty of sun. They are a full sun plant, and you'll want this in kind of a well-drained soil, but they do require quite a bit of water. Most plants are 1 inch a week, but zucchini is actually 2 inches a week. So hopefully that helps get you started. Be sure to check out our other gardening videos, and leave us a thumbs up and subscribe. And one last note, we will actually eat them with the skin on because there's a lot of good nutrients in the skin, but you can peel them as well. So like I said, check back for more gardening videos and recipes. Have a great day.